Well, we've been thinking and we've been dreaming and we've been planning too. And we've been sharing and we've been learning and we've been changing too. Don't you know it's the little things we do mean so much for me and you?